Hello everybody, we're gonna be testing out some Nerf guns, and up first is this one, and it goes really far, so it won't go all the way because we're in the basement, so yeah. Yeah, that one. Up next is the hammer shot. This one. And this one goes really far as well. No, that was a wrong one. That was a good one. Yeah. Next is the Mega Magnus, and this one goes really far as well. Okay. I dropped the bullet one. Okay, so look. So this one goes really far as well. There. And next, we have the hammer shot. I just painted it black. This one goes pretty far. Yeah, that one. And next is an automatic gun. And this is the Strife. Wait, damn. Yeah. And those are all the Nerf guns we're going to be doing today. Those are all the Nerf guns we're going to be doing today. So, bye.